Welcome student for maths class chapter number 6, the triangle and its property, part 3. In the last video we already studied about the medians and attitude of a triangle, and today in this video we are going to study about the exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Okay, so first see, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Okay, this definition again I will say. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Now we already know about the interior angle. The sum of the interior angle is how much? 180. Okay. Now here exterior angle, the sum of its interior opposite angle also forming what? 180 degree. Okay, if interior angle is suppose 50, so what will be the exterior angle formed there? 180 minus 50, it will be 130. So today we are going to study about the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, so see the figure here, 6.9. What is given here? A triangle ABC is given and ACD is an exterior angle. Okay, what given? ACD is an exterior angle. Now here you have to show that angle ACD equals to your measurement, what given here? Measurement of angle A plus angle B. Okay. Now what you have to do here? Through C, draw CE. Okay, through C you have to draw CE, which is parallel to BA. Okay, now we seen that this line is CA is parallel to BA. Understood? What we have to prove here? That angle ACD equals to angle A plus angle B. For that we are making a parallel line from C to E, okay, which is parallel to BA. Now when we see this figure we will find the reasons. Okay, in that angle 1 equals to angle X. Okay, why? When we are doing here a transversal AC, okay, we say that BA is parallel to CE. Okay, here these are the two parallel lines. So what will be this A and C? It is a transversal. So we find that BA is parallel to CE. Okay, and AC is what? It is a transversal. Next one, see here, angle 2 is equals to angle Y. So here 2 is equals to Y. Again here what we will find here? BD. This BD I will draw first. BD, okay, this is BD is a transversal where BA is parallel to CE. Okay, means two parallel lines. When they are joined by a transversal, or we say discut by transversal, we find that two lines are parallel. So here given BA is parallel to CE. Okay, therefore corresponding angle should be equal. Corresponding angle means which is on the same side, it should be equal. So when we add angle 1 plus angle 2, and in this side we will going to add angle X plus angle Y. Understood how we relate here? Here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to what? Angle X plus angle Y. Okay. Then when angle X plus Y, now this one is X and Y. Okay, here it is XY given. So it forming an angle that is ACD. ACD. Okay, ACE plus ECD. You will see here again. ACE plus ECD. Okay, I am repeating again. ACE, which showing the angle X, and ECY showing the angle Y. So when we add this angle X plus Y, we will get what? ACD. Okay, what we are going to get here? ACD, which is equals to angle X plus angle Y. Okay, so in the same way, when we add angle 1 plus angle 2, it's equals to what? ACD. What it will be? Angle 1 plus angle 2, it will be equal to ACD. Okay, from this above relation, an exterior angle and its two interior opposite angle is refers to be as an exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, this question already given in your book. So let's see it again about the exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Now, on the basis of this, we are going to solve our exercise 6.2. So, first question what given here? Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. So, here see, in this first figure, here the angles are given 50 and 70. Okay, but we have to find the unknown value of x here. So this property now only we study what? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Okay, what we study now? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So interior angle which given here? We given here 50 degree and 70 degree. So we have to add here 50 plus 70. We will get what? 120. So value of x will be 120 degree. Okay. What will the measurement here? 120. Now if you are thinking for this straight line, question is not asked here. I just telling. If you are thinking for this straight line, if the exterior angle showing 120, so interior angle will be find by 180 minus 120 means it will be 60. Okay, what we find here? 60 plus 120, again it will be 180. Okay, and if you see just interior angle, this interior angle if you see, we will find that 70 plus 50 plus 60, again it is equals to 180. Okay, this property we are going to study further. Just I given the example here. Okay, now you are just focused on exterior angle. Okay, which is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Okay, now see the next question. In the next question what given? 65 degree and 45 degree given. We have to find the value of x. Again you have to write the same reason. Exterior angle is equals to sum of its interior opposite angle, and then you have to do the addition of that. We will get what? 65 plus 45 equals to 110. So answer will be 110 degree. Okay, the value of x what we find here? 110. Next question, see third one. Here 30 degree and 40 degree, two measurements are given. Again find the value of x. Same reason, exterior angle of angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So 30 plus 40 will be 70. Here we will get 70 degree. Fourth question, see 60 given. So when we add this 60 we will get what? 120. So value of x will be here 120. You have to write the same reason. Next fifth one, see two angles given with equal measurement 50 So 50 will be how much? 100. So value of x will be again 100. Okay, and you have to put the same reason again. In each question you have to write the same reason. Next sixth one, angle X we have to find here. Measurement given 30 and 60. So 30 plus 60, it is 90. So angle measurement of X will be again 90 here. Again we have to write the same reason. Exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Now see the next question. Here in the next question, find the value of unknown interior angle X in the following figure. Now here X we have to find one angle they given, that is 50, and exterior angle of a triangle what they given, we have to find it here. So what to do here, 115 given exterior angle and interior what given here, only 50. So first we have to subtract that, okay, because we know that when we add the interior two angle, then only which is equals to exterior angle. So here exterior angle is given, one angle is given, you have to find this. So here we have to do the subtraction, okay, understood? When they are giving the interior angle, we are going doing the addition, but when exterior angle is given, interior one angle is given, then we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so 115 minus 50, it will be 65. So value of X will be what here, 65 degree. Okay, now next one, see here in second question, value of X plus 70 equals to 110. Okay, so here 100 given, 100, 1 minute, here it what given, 100, no, I think 110 is there, I think. So 110 plus, sorry, minus, here it is 100, okay, so 100 given, so 100 minus 70, here it will be 100 minus 70, we will get 30 degree, okay. So the value of X will be what, 30. Next third question, exterior angle measurement given 125, okay, and another one not given, but it is right angle, that means it is 90 degree. So 125 minus 90, we will get what, 35, okay. So here value of X will be 35 degree. Fourth one, see, X plus 60 equals to what given here, 120. 120 is an exterior angle. So 120 minus 60, we will get again 60. So next value will be again 60. Okay. Fifth one, see, X plus 30 equals to 80. So 80 is again an exterior angle of a triangle. So 80 minus 30, we will get what, 50. So second angle will be, measurement is what, 50 degree. Next one, sixth one, see, here X plus 35 and exterior angle what given, 75. So 75 minus 35, we will get what here, 40. So value of X will be here what, 40. Okay, finish here. Here we have completed our exercise 6.2. Thank you.